Coughing, it's not just a reflex. It's your body sending you a message. But do you know what your cough is telling you? Different coughs have different causes and different solutions. Dry cough, that itchy persistent tickle could be caused by allergies, infections, or even acid reflux. Soothing remedies like honey, ginger tea, and steam inhalation help ease irritation naturally. Wet cough, your body is clearing out mucus from infections or pollutants. Stay hydrated with warm fluids and use eucalyptus oil to break down mucus. Chronic cough, if it lasts over 8 weeks, asthma, acid reflux, or smoking could be the culprit. Licorice tea, turmeric, and Naturem cough-free lozenges can provide long-term relief. Allergic cough, pollen, dust, or pet dander may be triggering it. Manage allergies with local honey, herbal teas, and air purifiers. See a doctor if your cough lasts more than 8 weeks, you cough up blood, or have trouble breathing. Listen to your body. Choose natural relief with Naturem Cough-Free. Stay healthy. Stay natural. Breathe easy with Naturem Cough-Free. There is currently a free herbal lozenge giveaway from Naturem, including Rejuve and more. Get yours using the link below.